discovering the beauty of Portulaca molokiniensis. As a plant enthusiast, I've always been drawn to unique and beautiful species to add to my collection. One such gem that has caught my attention is the Portulaca molokiniensis. Its delicate appearance and vibrant colors make it a standout in any garden or indoor space. In this article, I'll share my insights into this fascinating plant, including how to propagate and care for it. Portulaca molokiniensis, also known as Maui portulaca or IHI, is a succulent plant native to the Hawaiian Islands, particularly found on the island of Maui. It belongs to the Portulacaceae family and is prized for its trailing stems adorned with fleshy, cylindrical leaves. How to propagate Portulaca molokiniensis. Propagation of Portulaca molokiniensis is relatively straightforward and can be achieved through stem cuttings. Here's a simple guide to propagate this beautiful succulent. Select healthy stems. Choose healthy stems from the parent plant, ensuring they are free from any signs of damage or disease. Cutting preparation. Using a clean, sharp knife or scissors, take a cutting of about 2 to 3 inches in length. Ensure the cutting has several leaves attached. Allow callousing. Place the cuttings in a dry, shaded area for a few days to allow the cut ends to callus. This helps prevent rotting when planted. Planting. Once calloused, plant the cuttings in a well-draining potting mix. Insert the cut end into the soil and gently firm the soil around it. Provide adequate moisture. Water the newly planted cuttings lightly, ensuring the soil is moist but not waterlogged. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to rot. Root development. Place the pot in a warm, bright location with indirect sunlight. Roots should begin to develop within a few weeks. Transplanting. Once the cuttings have established roots and are actively growing, they can be transplanted into individual pots or outdoor garden beds. By following these steps, you can easily propagate Portulaca molokiniensis and expand your collection of this stunning succulent. How to care for Portulaca molokiniensis. Proper care is essential to ensure the health and vitality of Portulaca molokiniensis. Here are some tips to keep your plant thriving. Light requirements. Portulaca molokiniensis thrives in bright, indirect light. Place it near a sunny window where it can receive plenty of sunlight without being exposed to direct rays, especially during the hottest part of the day. Watering. Like most succulents, Portulaca molokiniensis prefers a dry environment and is drought-tolerant once established. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Avoid waterlogging, as this can cause root rot. Well-draining soil. Use a well-draining potting mix specifically formulated for succulents or cacti. This helps prevent water from accumulating around the roots and promotes healthy growth. Temperature and humidity. Portulaca molokiniensis thrives in warm temperatures and can tolerate high humidity levels. Keep it in a room where temperatures range between 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius, and provide adequate air circulation to prevent fungal issues. Fertilization. Feed Portulaca molokiniensis with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer diluted to half strength during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid fertilizing during the dormant winter months. Pruning. Trim back any leggy or dead stems to encourage bushier growth and maintain a tidy appearance. By following these care guidelines, you can enjoy the beauty of Portulaca molokiniensis in your home or garden for years to come. What to plant with Portulaca molokiniensis. Portulaca molokiniensis pairs well with a variety of other succulents and drought-tolerant plants, creating visually appealing arrangements. Consider planting it alongside species such as sedum, echeveria, and aloe for a stunning succulent garden display. In conclusion, Portulaca molokiniensis is a remarkable succulent plant with unique characteristics that make it a standout addition to any collection. By understanding how to propagate and care for this species, you can cultivate healthy specimens and enjoy their beauty for years to come.